Jennifer Lee, thank you very much indeed for joining us. So can you repeat that sort of growth looking ahead?
We obviously enjoyed a very solid performance in Q2. Both top and bottom line performance, we delivered excellent results. Going forward, we did provide the Q3 guidance, and our guidance will indicate year-on-year revenue growth will continue at fast speed. We're projecting that our Q3 revenue will grow between 75 to about 80% in the Q3 on a year-over-year basis. What that really shows is the vast potential of the search engine marketing industry itself, as well as Baidu's excellent ability to execute.
Now, what about search advertising, though? A lot of people predicting it's going to be, slowing down towards the end of this year. How do you deal with a slowdown in it?
As Baidu, in the internet space, the internet is really in its infancy from a development standpoint. And Baidu is the leading search provider, and we really serve as a gateway, entry point to the internet space. So the internet economy itself is growing vastly at a fast speed. While no industry, no company can be completely insulated from the macroeconomic environment, but we are seeing, continue to see strong growth in all our industry verticals, and the search engine market potential is huge. We only today have about 36% of the Chinese population that are online. If you look at more mature markets, the number will be north of 70%. So the internet landscape will continue to develop. The market potential is huge. And for us, there's much more runway and potential than, challenges or stoppage in terms of development.
Right. How do you grow this part of the business anyway? Is one way, of course, what you're doing with Bing, with the English language search, and how's that going, and what are your targets?
And obviously, we continue to develop a very strong capabilities surrounding our core competency, which is search. We launched box computing about 2 years ago, and today more and more useful contents are embedded in the search results. Now, every day, we generate about 20 million clicks that access the users directly to rich and dynamic information. In addition to our own efforts, we line up strategic partners and corporations with other players in the industry. Bing, as you mentioned, we signed an agreement to work together with Bing and serve English queries with Bing's organic search results. So it's not only Baidu, we have a very open platform, open mindset, try to encourage the whole ecosystem development to ensure our core competency is solid and strong, and also to work with others to build a bigger, more prosperous internet space.
When are you going to release your web browser for the general public?
We had a pilot launch for some pro browser testing. We think the browser service help meet users' needs when they get access online. Browser is one valuable distribution point for search services, and of course, there are many entry points to get into the online space. The browser that we offer is in its early stage, and we think it's an important tool for us to develop and meet the users' needs.
Okay, we've seen a big correction in valuations and indeed the stock performance of various internet companies in China. Of course, we've had this correction. Did you welcome that correction? And would you be actually out in the market at any time soon, raising more money and getting on top of the cash pile that you have for further acquisitions?
Yes, I think in the Q2 period, there were some volatilities in the Chinese internet stock sector. Baidu has fared relatively well. I think that shows the investor understanding of our business, and also their understanding and appreciation of the management team. To date, I think our stock performance has been very solid, and even in Q2, I think we finished the quarter by year-to-date performance close to 40% appreciation. And now with our current financial reports, the stock performance is even stronger. we apparently, generate a lot of cash, and the cash is used to invest in future opportunities that will generate long-term return. We have said in the past that we would like, yes.
Jennifer, we're just running out of time here. Just want to get a final question in. And, when you look at Baidu, the empire you command, what worries you the most about it?
I think our effort is really concentrating on execution. The internet space has vast potential, and we are in a very good position as a market leader. The future is dynamic and continue to evolve. It's important for us to have the right strategy and execute on that.
So you don't worry about anything?
We worry about, the team is growing very, sizable team. Now we have close to 13,000 people. We recently restructured our organization to make sure we continue to drive innovation and efficiency in the system. So management of the business itself is a lot of challenge.